When Christians struggle with doubt, what's a wise way to go about dealing with it? Is pervasive doubt something we can repent from? As college students, how can we protect our minds and hearts when the academy often teaches Christianity as irrational or irrelevant? Well, that's a question written by Christian, and my response to it is that don't ever try to suppress your doubts. That's a crucial thing. I've lived my life by asking questions and doubting. Doubting is just the flip side of faith. I was brought up to ask questions. In fact, I love playing Socrates. He's my intellectual hero. I ask more questions than I try to answer, because that's the way we learn. So the way in which my own faith, and this is a very personal question here, but let me answer it. I have deliberately gone out of my way for my whole life to expose my faith to criticism, contradiction, objection, vilification, mockery, every conceivable thing. Why? Because I want to know if it's true or not. So if you've got doubts, dubitare in Latin, to be in two minds. Of course, look, when you mention the word doubt, the moment we mention it, all of us, we tend to think of that paralyzing, sickening black hole that hits us when we've forgotten to prepare for an exam. You know, that kind of thing. That's the extreme case. Questioning is a very healthy thing. And if you suppress your questions, they can grow until they lead to that black hole. So avoid it by being honest with your questions. Now, you're in a university. You're going to hear all kinds of worldviews. That's healthy for you. That's a wonderful thing. And it's very important to learn to cope with that and listen, and even more than that, befriend people who do not share your worldview, because you'll learn an enormous amount from them, as I have done the whole of my life. We need to grow up in a pluralistic society to listen, but to formulate our own worldview by seeing how other worldviews cope with the big questions. That is what a university is all about. And of course you'll hear different things from your professors.